If you need to duplicate a SurveyMonkey survey quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple way to make a copy of an existing survey so you can reuse it, edit it, and save time instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. This is especially useful if you want to create a similar survey, test a new version, or reuse questions and settings from a survey you already made. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign in to your account. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, you'll see your list of surveys or recent projects. Now find the survey that you want to copy. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have several surveys in your dashboard. After you've found it, click the three-dot menu next to that survey. This is where SurveyMonkey keeps extra actions and options for the survey. When the menu opens, look for the option that says Make a Copy. Click that option and SurveyMonkey will create a duplicate version of your survey. Depending on your account and the survey setup, the copy may include your questions, layout, and some survey settings, which makes it much easier to build from an existing template. Once the copy is created, you can open it and start editing it right away. At this point, you can change the title, update the questions, adjust the answers, or customize any part of the survey so it fits your new use case. This is the fastest way to duplicate a SurveyMonkey survey without starting over. If you were looking for how to duplicate a survey in SurveyMonkey, that's really all there is to it. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where the copy option is, you can repeat the process anytime you need a new version. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.